are the bold fruits that boost digestion fast.
Hello, I am Apple, rich in natural fiber that helps keep your digestion moving smoothly. I support your gut flow and comfort.
Hello, I am Papaya. I gently support food breakdown and help your stomach feel lighter.
Hello, I am Banana. I help keep your tummy calm and balanced while giving steady energy. I support your gut rhythm. Hello, I am Pineapple. I support easy digestion and refresh your system with natural enzymes. Hello, I am Kiwi. Packed with fiber and vitamin goodness that supports smooth digestion, I help your gut stay active and fresh.
Hello, I am Orange. I hydrate your system and gently stimulate digestion with natural citrus freshness.
Hello, I am Watermelon. I keep your body hydrated and help digestion feel light and easy.
We are the bold fruits that boost digestion fast.